Poros, an enchanting island in the Saronic Gulf, is a harmonious blend of natural beauty, historical richness, and cultural charm. Its name, derived from the Greek word for passage, reflects its role as a gateway between the mainland and the Aegean. Poros is composed of two smaller islands, Sphyria and Calabria, connected by a slender isthmus, creating a unique geographical character. The history of Poros stretches back to the Mycenaean period, circa 1400 BCE. In Greek mythology, the island was sacred to Poseidon, god of the sea, whose temple on Calabria became a center of worship and diplomacy. Throughout the Byzantine and Ottoman eras, Poros retained its importance as a maritime hub. During the Greek War of Independence, the island became a strategic naval base and meeting point for freedom fighters. In 1828, it hosted pivotal diplomatic negotiations under Ioannis Kapodistrias, Greece's first governor, solidifying its role in shaping modern Greek history. The clock tower, built in 1927, stands as a beloved symbol of Poros, providing panoramic views of the island and its harbor. Poros is renowned for its verdant landscapes, where pine forests stretch down to meet the azure waters of the Saronic Gulf. The island's volcanic origins have shaped a dramatic terrain, with rolling hills and breathtaking vistas. The harbor of Poros is a lively center of activity, lined with charming cafes, taverns, and boutique shops. Neoclassical mansions and cobblestone streets add to the island's timeless allure. Visitors can enjoy fresh seafood, browse artisanal goods, or simply watch the sailboats drift by.